Triple constrained model for 20 Quantum Caper Way in Madripoor. Property address, 20 Quantum Caper Way, tenants, Hologram Hooligans, Bot Bonanza, Circuit Circus, and Byte Brigade. Colorful synopsis. Welcome to 20 Quantum Caper Way, a bustling building in the heart of Madripoor. A Silicon Valley-inspired locale where high-tech innovation meets the layered intrigue of Madripoor. This property is a quirky playground for whimsical yet stable tenants, from hologram hooligans to Circuit Circus, all of whom bring a mix of edgy creativity and financial clout. Picture neon-lit hallways, AI-managed lobbies, and rooftop spaces buzzing with startup energy. This unique property aims to attract imaginative, high-caliber tenants to match the vibrant and complex Madripoor landscape. Investment goals: achieve a 9.5% cap rate by upgrading tenant quality and optimizing property appeal to suit the eclectic Madripoor market. Scope: leasing and tenant quality upgrades. Upgrade the property to attract stable, high-profile tenants with brand recognition in tech, retail, and experiential services, creating a dynamic yet financially secure roster. Actions: target tenants. Seek tenants from sectors with high demand in Madripoor, like cutting-edge tech and experiential retail. Think Bot Bonanza and Byte Brigade. Leasing strategy: offer flexible lease options, short-term with renewal clauses or long-term leases, to attract tenants who fit the Madripoor vibe. Outcome: lease the building fully to high-quality tenants within 12 to 18 months, ensuring stability and alignment with the target cap rate. Cost: investment in leasing and tenant improvements. Allocate funds for marketing and tenant allowances to attract and retain premium, quirky tenants aligned with the Madripoor identity. Leasing and marketing budget: $50,000 to $75,000 for an aggressive marketing push to engage high-quality, creative tenants. Tenant improvement allowance: $250,000 to allow for vibrant, tech-enhanced spaces that appeal to premium tenants. Return target: hit a 9.5% cap rate with a target NOI of $460,750 by attracting tenants whose lease rates support this NOI, boosting both returns and property value. Timeline for leasing, renovations, and noise stabilization. Execute a phased approach for tenant onboarding and renovations to maintain building appeal and avoid downtime. Marketing and leasing timeline: achieve full lease-up within 6 to 12 months to meet occupancy and revenue goals. Tenant improvement schedule: complete tenant-specific upgrades within 1 to 3 months post-signing to align with tenant needs and NOI targets. Stabilized NOI goal: reach stabilized NOI for a 9.5% cap rate within 12 to 18 months, ensuring smooth lease transitions and phased build-outs. Summary: the triple constraint model for 20 Quantum Caper Way balances scope, acquisition of premium tenants with flexible lease structures, cost, marketing and tailored tenant improvement allowances, and timely lease-up and renovation schedules. This plan targets a 9.5% cap rate, increasing property value and establishing 20 Quantum Caper Way as a uniquely stable, high-value asset in the dynamic Madripoor market.